All right. Okay here. Hmm. Not sure what that's in regards to, but okay. Awesome. Um, what I'm doing today is something completely different. I need help. I need your help in choosing a color. Which you can see behind me, and disregard the mess that's there. That's the packaging. But yeah, help me choose a color. I am streaming live on both TikTok and YouTube. So I didn't tell anybody I was going live. So it might be me talking to myself. But yeah, I actually got these. And what are these called? Goovy or Groovy? Hey, what's up? How's it going over there on TikTok or YouTube? Excuse me. Basically, I need help. What colors do you guys like? What colors do you um, don't like? What color do you think is best for the background? Do you think I should keep these? This is going to be definitely user driven. If you find a color that you think is really cool, hi Mada HD. If you have questions about other stuff too, I guess I can answer those. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing when it comes to color. Uh, I like the red. Okay, Heather likes the red. Cool. And you know what's cool about this? The link's in the description if you're over on YouTube. Of course, it's an affiliate link, but you can adjust these. And what I could do is, I think I can, will deselect all. What is this? And I literally I just got these today. You can see I changed that one. Let's change that one to green. Well, I have to deselect them. So I don't know what I'm doing here. If you guys have suggestions and ideas, I'm all ears. I need help making some money. I'm almost homeless. What I would do, Donnell, is I would learn a skill and go market that skill. Um, if you were almost homeless, I'd learn how to build WordPress websites. That's a really easy skill to learn, and you can apply. Let's select all again. What skills can replace my 9 to 5? Really, almost any skill. Thanks for the follow. I appreciate it. But what we're doing here today, guys, is I need help picking a color. We've got green here. We've got red here. Then again, disregard the mess that's in the background. That's me literally just putting this all together and then putting it up. Let's see. But yeah, if you want to leave your 9 to 5, I build Blogger. You could, build a blog if you wanted to. That's gonna be time intensive. I'm all for a blog. My first couple ways of making money. Psychology says blue. Yeah, that's a good idea. Let's see if we like blue. I appreciate it. Um, let's see. I'll talk about all the ways that I had made money online. The first way was building 5-page WordPress websites. If you guys see a color, let me know. 5-page WordPress websites. You can work with local businesses. You can work with people all over. I worked with people. I also present weekly. Okay, I've worked with people as far as California. I'm in Wisconsin, down in Texas, out in Virginia. I've worked with churches. I've worked with electrical companies. Do you still use Jasper? Not. I haven't used Jasper in a while because I haven't written a blog post in a while. Let's see here. 5-page WordPress websites. Freelance programmer. You could be a freelance programmer if you have the knowledge and skills, but I like 5-page WordPress websites because you don't need to be a programmer for the most part. Anything that you need to learn when it comes to what's Jasper. Jasper's a writing tool like it's like the grandfather of Chat GPT. It's like its older cousin or uncle. And it's really not even that old, but what was I saying? I'm starting the cafeteria method. You still getting reoccurring from Creative Studio. I didn't use Creative Studio. I used Descript, and yes. 5-page WordPress websites. I like this blue, but you can go like darker or warmer when it comes. I sculpt ClickBank. All right. Good luck with that. We'll cancel that. Anyway, the cool thing is it has this color wheel. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is the app. And we've got a color wheel here that we can play with to make it darker or lighter. We've got a color wheel here that we can play with to make it darker or lighter. Um, 5-page WordPress website. Yeah, the blue's pretty cool. I don't mind the blue. Oh, and actually, it looks much better over on YouTube. I've been looking at it on TikTok, and the angle, I'm like, I'm not a huge fan of it. And what I might actually do is I might add some more on the outside. Um, I mastered Aweber. Good job. If you have a skill that you've mastered, go shop that skill to other people. I wish it had, the only thing that this is missing is actual hex colors. 5-page WordPress websites, affiliate marketing, selling digital products. I've never sold physical products. People seem to ask me all the time about drop shipping. I don't know anything about drop shipping. I have almost no knowledge and experience with drop shipping because it didn't make sense to me. I was certified in Amazon Web Services. I have a I have 10x the game like Grant Cardone. Awesome, good job. I'm proud of you doing that. Um, I have a background, not a great background, but a background nonetheless in computer science. I have a degree in computer science, and I got a certification in Amazon Web Services. And so that's a highly sought after skill that you could do. Go learn Amazon Web Services. There's a lot to learn with it. Go learn a subsection of Amazon Web Services. Now I'm talking about if you need money, if you're desperate, and this guy said he's almost homeless, learn Amazon Web Services because it's only growing. And Amazon, I'm colorblind, can't distinguish between red and green. Okay, that's good to know. Where's that? That sounds like an excellent idea. Amazon Web Services, which most people don't realize, is the back end to like 90% of the internet. And we're going to get real technical here real quick, but this is important to know. Amazon Web Services, when you get on the internet and you go to different websites, usually the back end, the pipeline is Amazon Web Services, AWS. ChatGPT uses AWS. And I used to be what was I? I had 2 certifications in AWS. And that was a really sought after skill. It still is. And what you can do is you can go get certified. You do have to take a test. I'm colorblind and green. You do have to take a test. I think the test was like $75 at one point. You get certified, and people still reach out to me over on LinkedIn asking me if I'm interested. Anyway, but Amazon basically has a large portion of the internet. I work on Amazon, even I use AWS at work, but I didn't know. Yeah, you can get a certification in it. And this is probably going to wind up being much different than a lot of my, and this is white, by the way. This is going to be probably much different than some of my other videos, but you can get certified. You can go find a very nice job. In fact, the job that I had, so I used to be a center director for higher education, and I got out of that and I got my degree in computer science. And the only thing that the guy that hired me cared about was I willing to go get certified in AWS? So I went and got certified in AWS, and I got hired, and I actually was doing pretty well. But I absolutely hated. I didn't hate working for him. I realized that I hate working for other people, and so that's why I am where I am. But if you're looking for a job, can you outrun Tyreek Hill? All right, so we got our first guy that needs attention. Now, I was actually thinking that because it's Saturday, that person that needs attention but can't find it offline would be able to find attention somewhere else. But apparently, even on weekends, these guys can't get attention in real life. And so they come to different live streams and they beg for attention. And what usually happens is these guys will flame out. They'll spend about 5, 6, 7 minutes trying to get the attention that they crave in real life. They don't get it. and then they go jump on someone else's live. So let this guy be the best that he can be, which seems like a marginal human being because he's on live asking random questions. Let him be the best that he can be, and then after about 5 or 6 minutes, he will flame out. So just ignore him, and we can get back to the task at hand. Any colors jumping out to you guys? If we continue on, let's see here. Red was popular. Blue was popular. I kind of like the blue. I just like blue in general. So Amazon Web Services, you can find a remote job, you can find an on-site job, all of it works, and you could be very successful because it's a very in-demand skill. Well, where I was going with AWS, they have data centers all over the world. They've got maybe like 10 data centers where they're collecting all the information. Howdy, Austin, thank you for your content. Hey, thanks for the kind words, Robert. Google Ads, do you think it's the best way to start? It depends on if you have money to burn. Okay, because most likely you're not going to know how to do Google Ads in the beginning, and you're going to kind of burn through it and you're going to be frustrated. If you know how to do Google Ads, then that's a great way to start. Any way will work. And that's the thing most people don't realize is any of these methods that you see online can work if you are working at it long enough. And so that's going to be key for you. If you get started with Google Ads, and you are consistent and persistent enough with it, you can be successful with it. So AWS has all of these different data centers across the United States and globally. And then they have government data centers that are hidden all around the world, the United States, globally. So it's a very great thing to get into, especially now. And there's lots of opportunity. I made 2.5K sales on Facebook ads, but I'm starting Google Ads now. Are there any major differences? Yes, there are huge differences between the two. I just started a dieting blog, enjoying your content, especially the I tried it stuff and affiliate marketing stuff. Hey, appreciate it. Thank you very much. There are huge differences between Google Ads and Facebook ads. Hello, Computer Solutions with a Z. How are you today? Let's see, this blue or a different blue, but there's so many different subsections of AWS. They're in gaming, they're in basically like virtual machines or virtual computers. They are in, I'm trying to think, there's just so many things you can actually create. So Amazon.com uses AWS as their backend. And so basically everything that happens on Amazon is because it uses AWS backend. I forgot a lot of the terminology, but if you're looking to start a career, AWS stands for Amazon Web Services. Amazon actually is composed of two parts. Amazon.com, which everyone is aware of, and AWS, which controls at least 50% of the internet. If your internet goes down, usually it's because AWS there's a hiccup somewhere. And I was just telling this story. A person commented early on and said, I need a way to make money. I'm almost homeless. I told them to go learn AWS, Amazon Web Services, get a certification, put it on LinkedIn, and you will have recruiters basically coming to your front door asking you if you will work for them. So that's my tip. And I mean, you can even take your AWS skill and post it on Fiverr because it's a technical skill that not a lot of people. So it's a server farm, kind of. It's everything. It has data warehouses where it stores is CPA grip legit. I haven't made any money with CPA grip. It does everything. Go to, I think it's AWS.com, and you'll see they have a laundry list of things that they do that most people don't know about. And I only know about it because I was certified in it. Let's see here. I'm just going to bring it up real quick. AWS. It stands for Amazon Web Services. Hey, it's good to hear that you're doing great, computer. It's cloud computing, but it's like Um, it's so hard to explain because it's in so much stuff. The best way to learn about Amazon Web Services is to go over to the website aws.amazon.com, and you will be shocked by all of the things Amazon knows how to do and knows what to do. So I'm looking over here. They do analytics. They also have databases. There is DynamoDB. It's starting to come back to me now, but DynamoDB is a database solution that they have. It's an alternative. It's an unstructured database. So if you know anything about a database solution that they have, it's an alternative. It's an unstructured database. So if you know anything about technical stuff, you have like structured and unstructured databases. Like MongoDB is the closest comparison to DynamoDB. But just looking at all of this stuff. So a company like Abbott, where they have all of this data, they have warehouses of data. Amazon will take a truck, they'll load all of their data onto Amazon's data warehouse. Like they have literally semi trucks of of storage, and our stuff is a lot of our stuff that you don't even realize is on Amazon. um, Let me just see. What do I remember? And I don't, again, I didn't mean to turn this into just see what do I remember. And I don't, again, I didn't mean to turn this into discussion. I really just want feedback on the colors that you guys think are good in the background. So far, blue had a, thanks for the likes that are coming in. Anyway, I should mention, thanks for the likes that are coming in. Light blue or dark blue. So this is like a lighter blue. Well, that's white. This is a lighter blue. This is a darker blue. Light blue is nice too. Yeah. And then we could go closer to like purple. It's hard to tell. Maybe I'm colorblind, but it's, but yeah. So jumping back and forth, they do gaming. So they're getting into the gaming space. That is something to be aware of. What is the best money? Let's see. I'm doing great. What is the best money making website that actually works? Well, you're on YouTube. That works. You seem to be really knowledgeable databases. Sorry, but did you by chance read computer science? I have a bachelor's degree in computer science from Oregon State University. What do you think of MLGS? Oh, I would stay away from that because this person's talking about my lead gen secret. Yeah, I did that like maybe a year and a half, 2 years ago. The problem is the purple people eater. Okay, darker blue, cool. I'm liking the suggestion. Um, I joined that maybe a year or two ago. Yeah, probably closer to 2 years at this point. And that's a good question, Noah. I've been trying ClickBank and YouTube automation. I'm still struggling away though. Likely the leads that you are paying for are leads that other people have joined My Lead Secret. So My Lead Gen Secret to other My Lead Gen Secret people with the same objective. You don't know where those leads are coming from. You don't know if they're quality leads. You don't know if they've been. But if you're going to do that, I'd recommend that you just go learn Google ads or Facebook ads and then spend $100 per month on Google ads and Facebook ads, which can give you much better results. Let's see. Machine learning they do, so all the AI stuff. EC2 instances, which is the virtual stuff, the virtual. I have forgotten a lot about this stuff because I don't use it. I haven't used it in over 2 years at this point. But it looks like they do financial management now, computing, as I mentioned. You can do virtual call centers with them, containers. So if you were so here's the thing. If you look at some of my original YouTube videos, it's from AWS. Like my first 10 videos on my main channel are based on AWS. And so, that's where I started. And I actually have I have like 3 courses over on Udemy. that still get traffic and sales based on AWS. But I knew a lot of it. I knew a lot about it at one point, but I've since forgot it all. Hmm. ClickBank too, but I didn't find a good vid explaining how to use it well. So would you like a video on how to use ClickBank? Is that what you're saying? What I'd recommend, guys, is I would recommend a little bit harder. And thanks for all the likes that came in. I appreciate it. Work a little bit harder and find other affiliate programs than ClickBank. There are millions of them out there. Not millions. There are thousands of them out there. And you just simply apply. You write your business plan. Say, this is what I plan to do. See, this is disappointed. Write your business plan. Tell them what you're going to do. Angry. There's actually, if you look on this color wheel, they have different, words to tweet. Go out and find other affiliate programs because a lot of people have problems with it. And I'm asked literally all the time, hey, what should I say in my application? You just write out a business plan. Tell them how you're going to promote. Tell them what your plan is. Hey, I'm going to tell them what your plan is. Hey, I'm going to promote. I might get some more. This is a box of 10. I might go ahead and get some more. I'm going to promote doing this, and this. My traffic source is going to be YouTube. I'm going to upload 3 videos per week. And here's my plan. And if they reject you, because the worst thing that they can say is no. If they reject you, go find somebody else and keep creating the content because you need to create the content anyway. I like the blue color, by the way. Thank you, Brian. Because you need to create the content anyway. Don't let rejection stop you from creating the content. Because if you get accepted, you need to create the content. If you get rejected, you need to create the content. Keep creating content because that's what's most important. It's creating the content. What about this warmer white? Warmer white. What do you guys think about that? Is that a no? Can you see that? Is that a no-go? Hello from Russia. Hey, how's it going? I choose color purple. Show. I choose color purple. Show. Green is color in as well. So we got a couple things here. The color purple, the color green, or the color blue. Warmer white is nice. Yeah. I kind of like that too. Is in the description of my YouTube video. It is, of course, an affiliate link if you are interested in getting some yourself. And the cool thing with this app is they actually have different patterns for you to use. Now, I kind of veered off course. As you can see, my patterns are a bit random at the end. But and I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, so that's what it looks like. And so what I've done, orange, you like the orange one too. Brian also likes the orange one. So what I did, guys, is I made a couple videos, and this is going to tie into affiliate marketing. I got the product today. I ordered it last night because I saw a TikTok video on Amazon Finds. I bought the product and I unboxed it. I made a video of me unboxing the video. I put that video on one of my other YouTube channels. I uploaded that video into Amazon Influencer. And there's actually another way that you can use Amazon as well, which I'm going to create a separate video about maybe on Monday. But everything's content, so I can post that on the old internet and potentially earn commission. So things are pretty cool here. But yeah, how suggestions on color? Do you think ClickBank and Digistore24 have good reputations? Are their products good? Can you teach me how to make money online? Yeah, you can watch my YouTube channel and you'll get all the help that you need. And if you want to work with me, you can work with me. But I'll say it again. Only buy a course if you know the problem that you need solved. Most people make the mistake of buying a course because they were marketed to. They were sold this course, but really, you need to identify your problem and then identify a solution. Because when I started doing WordPress websites, I didn't buy a course for that. Thank you for being honest about your course. Yeah, no, I mean, I could be the ultra super slick marketer, but at the end of the day, if you don't get value out of my course or coaching program, mentorship, whatever you want to call it, you will be frustrated, you'll be annoyed, you'll be angry, and it'll leave a bad taste in your mouth. But if you come to me and say, this is the problem that I have, and this is how Alston's course can, where'd you get those lights? I got the lights from Amazon. They're called like Govee, Govee lights. They come in a pack of 10. They're pretty cool. But yeah, my problem is how to get traffic. Okay, so you know the problem. Let's see, you might not know, but do you have any idea if there are any good affiliate websites that are good for Europe? ClickBank and such are not worth it to do in Europe. Yeah, unfortunately, I get a lot of those questions about different countries, but I know what's going on in the United States. But I'm gonna have to remember. The other issue that I run into, guys, when it comes to this is sometimes I just forget to turn the lights on. Thanks for the follow. I appreciate it. Sometimes I just forget to turn the lights on. So you said your problem is getting traffic. What are you doing to try and get that traffic? You said on your YouTube channel, is this probably a very easy answer. Yep, I'm in the UK yesterday. Ate and launched 1, 2, 3 profit. All right. So let me ask you this. Dina Tech 777. What are you doing to get traffic? What type of content are you creating? You said is what are you doing wrong? Because there's probably a very easy explanation. That are you solving a customer's problem? Are you getting views but no clicks? Hey, I'm on the front page. Help me choose a color. 15 people watching. It is weird to see yourself on the front page. Come on. My internet's coming to a screeching halt because I'm asking it to do too much stuff. I create pins from Canva. Okay. Then creating Pinterest pins on Canva. Content that people like. Or are you creating content that people actually care about? Doing video pins? You're doing static pins? I like white color. Let's see. What about this one? This one's a little bit of a... We're going to have to play with this more. But like I said, I've got... and you can also dim how dark these are. So we could do like a blue, but not so dark. Or we could do... Or brightness. Or we could do... let's do blue. And we could do kind of dark. Let's see. But the question comes in, what are you doing? This looks really different compared to YouTube static pins about losing weight. Okay. Now, when you do static pins about losing weight, where are you sending the people? How many views are you getting per month? The dark blue is nice also. You have to identify the need. I would be interested. Comment what your Pinterest handle is, and I'll look it up, and I'll probably be able to give you. I didn't get your PDF document. See, the thing that boggles my mind is I've sent out hundreds of these PDF documents, and every once in a while I'll get some people that say they didn't get it, or I refuse to give it to them. Happens automatically. Anyway, it's just food for thought. second person says they didn't get it. How did you get this email? Affiliate marketing planner. How did you get the email, but you didn't get the planner? Let's see. On second thought, how about we just mix the colors all the way up the way they are now? It's cool this way. So one thing that I thought about is having kind of like a mood where they bounce around. But when I'm editing videos, because I think you can do that. When I'm editing videos, you're gonna see it bounce from thing to thing to thing, and so that would look weird. Music, color, scene. Let's do Effects Lab. Uh, yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna have to play with this because this is all sorts of stuff. Huh. Yeah, guys, the next time you see the next time you see me, I'm probably gonna have like a completely different cover. I remember correctly, there's a way to get your email to report back. Um, yeah, there's different. I like this option, national flags. So I could actually like this is these are the flag colors for Mongolia. Guys, I might waste like look at this blue. I might wind up wasting hours doing this, unfortunately. Um, I want to create a scene where it's all different colors. I don't know why it's jumping like that. That's not see what a person reads. They're alert about a death. Hey, so look at that. We got some scenage going on here. What do you guys think about that? Any interest? Like I'll turn so that you guys can see it over there on TikTok. Yes, no, maybe so. You like this one? The colors that jump around. Is it too distracting? Is probably a good question to ask. Mute. Color. Scene. Random. Is it too distracting? That's probably the best question I should ask. Is this random? If it's too distracting, we don't want it, obviously. Hey, we got all sorts of different things here. Let's try this. This is the ocean. This is the ocean. This is the forest. Is it moving? This is the sunset. You guys like the sunset? Playing with this for kind of like this one. This one's raining. What do you guys think about this rain? Yeah. So this is crawl, and that might not work out great, but leisure. Yeah, I like the rain one a lot. That might be my go-to. Ooh, let's try energetic. Oh, this one's energetic, guys. This might be too much. Funny. Let's try funny. Stacking. Let's try funny. Stacking. Hmm. Yeah, I think this might cause seizures. Father's Day. Fiverr affiliate program is a great secondary affiliate program. Um, it wouldn't be one that I promote primarily. I would use email marketing. One of the great ways to target 100% is getting one of those. Yeah. I got to find the rain one now. Rain, 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 rain. And with follow up with email marketing. and use Fiverr as one of those secondary affiliate programs. Your connection is unstable. Please wait while Fiverr is one of those secondary affiliate programs. Your connection is unstable. Please wait while we try reconnecting. I wonder, can you guys hear me? Anyway, let's see. I think I found clean up. Let's see what happens. Clean up. Let's see what happens when I add in more. No, they were bucks. The set of 10 were $200. I've got these Sunwall lights on too. I'm using these lights also. Can you guys tell the difference, good or bad? Yeah. That the business partner probably won't be thrilled about. What am I doing here? We'll go here. Anyway, so yeah, hopefully I'm reconnecting over on YouTube. Maybe not. I'm paused, I think. Oh, maybe I'm still going. Anyway, tomorrow sometime for me, but it could work if you understand who the target audience is. Now, the thing with the business partner is never pleased. No, not at all. So that's why I got to make these purchases and then hope that the business partner doesn't notice. You need to who's actually going to be interested in that thing. For example, go to Fiverr to hire a script writer and then provide a link to a script writer. Go to Fiverr for thumbnails. If you start a YouTube channel helping people start a YouTube channel, you could say, hey, look, if you're not very good with thumbnails, use this guy. I've used him multiple times and I've been really successful with him. A lot of people will just, and actually someone in my Facebook group, she said that she grabbed her affiliate link to Fiverr and she was just putting it in Facebook groups. That's not going to work. And it didn't work for her because she wasn't providing any value. She wasn't helping anybody out. She was just kind of spraying and praying, as I like to say. That design, considering. Anyway, I like the rain. Do you guys have any other questions for me before I let you guys go for today? Today was a fun one, just a fun one, where I show you a thing that I wasted money on. Hopefully the business partner isn't watching this video because we're gonna have to have a talk. You guys have a great Saturday. Take care. Let me know if you have any questions, and we'll talk soon.